I don't know about you, but I can tell you I like working on my airplane just about as much as I like flying it. Hello, it's Steve from airplaneenvy.com. I'm sitting on the wing of my 1963 Piper Comanche, and it came up on my Google Photos today that exactly 4 years ago was when I first laid eyes on this airplane and thought about buying it. And going through the pre-buy and getting the annual done and all that stuff, we finally got it to our home base and started checking everything out. And we decided we needed a new interior, so we started working on that. Replaced the whole interior, replaced all the insulation, took care of all the mechanical things, even buffed the whole paint job because it was repainted, but it was in pretty good shape, but it needed buffed, and there was some corrosion that needed fixed on it. And we've just done a plethora of projects throughout this whole airplane. And as it turns out, there are a lot of things that an owner pilot can do to his own airplane. And of course, there's a lot that you can't do, and those things will involve an AMP to oversee you or to do it, outright. In fact, we have a project coming up where we're going to replace all 4 bladders of our gas tanks. Of course, I can't do that. I'm not an AMP, but we have friends that are AMPs, and they oversee what we do, or we'll just have them do it outright. So some things you can do, some things you can't. The interior of the plane is a great area that you can do things for yourself, according to the FAA. Of course, the exterior, you're welcome to machine buff it, do small spot repairs, and so forth on that. I don't know about you, but I can tell you I like working on my airplane just about as much as I like flying it. And I love the fact that when I tear things apart in the airplane, I learn so much. Also, you find out what's going on inside your plane, especially when you take the interior out. You're going to find out if there's any corrosion that needs addressed. You'll find out different things you may want to do. You may decide once you got the interior out, you want to do the insulation. I did the full insulation in this plane, and it made it feel so much more solid. There's just a lot of fun in doing a project, and there's a lot of fun in communicating with other people doing their projects, and also with someone there who can guide you if you get in any kind of sticky points. Probably like you guys, I scoured the internet looking for videos and information on how to do this or that, and spend hours trying to get information, only to find out that everything's really fragmented across the internet for what I was looking for. My goal for Airplane Envy is to basically have a hub where guys can go to get answers. It's always nice to be able to ask questions and have somebody answer them that are specific to their projects. You can scour the internet and you might find what you need, or you may spend several hours and end up down a rabbit hole. But here you can get answers to your specific questions. You're going to learn techniques. There's going to be videos. Right now I'm opening airplaneenvy.com to founding members. And inside you'll find courses on interior and exterior, and a third section which is the community, where guys can come in with pictures of their airplanes, a little bio of themselves, and want to start to build a community. I also want to open this up kind of slow because I want to tailor the content to things that are meaningful to the guys that are working on certain projects. I have guys that are interested in interiors, redoing their interiors. I've got other guys that want to know how to fix up their paint, how to make their paint as pretty as it can be for what we're working with. And same with the interior. We want to get it done with professional results, and I can walk you through all that. I invite you over to airplaneenvy.com. Fill out the discovery call form, and let's talk about your project and see how together we can get your project completed with professional results.